Have you ever had a weekend where one day feels like a marathon and the next is just pure relaxation? Because that's exactly what happened to us, and we're sharing all the details today.
I couldn't agree more. Hi everyone, I'm Jay and I'm here with Sophia. We're talking all about our weekends, the busy moments, the quiet ones, and the funny surprises in between.
It's true, and by the end, you'll pick up tons of simple English you can use to talk about your own weekends. Here's what's coming up: shopping adventures, running in the park, family lunches, and even a cat who ruins video games.
Plus, we've got one hilarious cake mishap you absolutely don't want to miss. We'll also share a tip to make your English conversations easier and more fun.
So get comfortable, grab your coffee, and let's start with Saturday. Was it busy or quiet for you, Jay?
Saturday was a mix for me. Totally busy in the morning, then quiet in the afternoon. I kicked things off at the shopping mall because I needed new shoes for work.
The mall. I bet it was packed. Did you find some shoes you actually liked?
Surprisingly, yes. I found super comfortable black shoes. I still can't believe my luck, because malls on Saturday mornings are a zoo.
You're brave, honestly. Meanwhile, I went the opposite way. I headed to the park. The weather was just perfect for being outside.
That sounds so peaceful. Did you take a walk or do something more active?
Actually, I went for a run trying to be healthy these days, but 30 minutes nearly knocked me out.
30 minutes is impressive. After my mall adventure, all I wanted was a good lunch. Ended up at a small cafe with a delicious tomato and cheese sandwich.
A classic choice. After my run, I rewarded myself with a huge breakfast eggs, toast, and, of course, lots of coffee. I was thinking of you because I know you love coffee too.
That's so true. I can't start my day without it. Once I was fueled up, I dove into some video games in the afternoon. It was the perfect way to relax after that crowded mall.
I'm curious, which game pulled you in?
A racing game. It was all smooth until my cat Jasper decided to join. He jumped on my lap and, thanks to his help, I crashed spectacularly at the finish line.
Jasper definitely knows how to make his presence felt. After all that excitement, my Saturday evening was much quieter. I stayed in and started a new mystery series on TV.
Mysteries always suck me in. Did you binge a few episodes or just sample it?
Oh, I binged 3 episodes straight. It was so hard to stop, I kept telling myself, just one more.
I'm guilty of that too. Suddenly it's midnight, and you wonder where the time went. But honestly, that's part of what makes weekends great.
Exactly. There's something special about getting drawn into a good story at the end of a long day.
Switching gears to Sunday, mine was a classic family day. We walked to church, then gathered at my grandmother's for a big lunch.
I'm already jealous grandmothers always cook the best meals. Did everyone show up?
Absolutely, it was loud and full of laughter. And my grandmother made her famous chocolate cake. But the funniest part, my cousin's girlfriend was talking and sneezed right as she took a bite.
Wait, did something go flying?
Yes, a piece of cake landed right on my uncle's head. He just said, free cake, and ate it. We couldn't stop laughing.
That's priceless. I'm using free cake the next time something silly happens. Meanwhile, my Sunday was the complete opposite, just relaxing at home with a book. I got lost in history for a few hours.
I love that. After all the family noise, a quiet day at home sounds perfect. Did you manage to sneak in a nap too?
You know me too well. A quick 20-minute power nap on the sofa, then a little football on TV to finish the weekend.
That's a winning Sunday. Oh, and I liked your strategy planning out your week in advance. I really need to start doing that instead of Monday morning panic.
It helps a lot. Maybe you'll try it this week and feel less stressed.
Let's wrap things up. First, weekends can be busy or quiet, and both are great. Second, little moments like running in the park or a cat jumping on your lap make the best stories. Third, planning your week gives you a fresh start for Monday.
If you want to practice English, here's your action step. Tell someone about your weekend, even if you make mistakes. Just get talking.
Simple conversations are the best way to learn. Don't stress about being perfect like today. We laughed, made mistakes, and still had so much fun.
Exactly. So, share your own weekend stories with us, hit subscribe, and leave a comment below with the word weekend. We're cheering you on.
Thanks for listening. Have an awesome week, and we'll see you next time.
Bye for now, everyone.